In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer under $500 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Anycubic Kobra 3. The Anycubic Kobra 3 3D printer represents a cutting-edge innovation in additive manufacturing technology. Designed with metal construction, it boasts dimensions of 17.8 inches in diameter, 19.8 inches in width, and stands 19 inches tall, weighing 9.2 kilograms. This versatile printer supports multicolor printing with Anycubic Ace Pro, capable of handling up to 4 colors initially and expanding to 8 colors with the upcoming Anycubic Color Engine hub. The printer integrates intelligent features like nozzle clog detection, automatic filament refill, and RFID sync, ensuring efficient and hassle-free operation. With a remarkable print speed of up to 600 mm per second and advanced vibration compensation technology, it delivers high-quality prints at impressive speeds, supported by Anycubic's specialized PLA filament for superior results. The Kobra 3 empowers users to explore limitless creative possibilities with Pant1 color filaments, while its user-friendly design, including pre-installed auto-leveling and dynamic structure, makes it accessible for both beginners and experienced enthusiasts alike, marking it as a powerful yet easy-to-use tool in the world of 3D printing. Number 2. FLASHFORGE 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventura 5M series represents a cutting-edge advancement in 3D printing technology, designed to streamline and enhance the printing experience. Offering automatic bed leveling, it ensures precise adhesion and flawless initial layers without manual adjustments. The printer boasts impressive speed with its Core XY structure, capable of 12 times faster printing than conventional models, supported by high acceleration and a lightweight design for efficiency and accuracy. It supports rapid nozzle changes and quick warm-up times, making it ideal for rapid prototyping and mass production. With features like dual-fan nozzles, vibration compensation, and a variety of nozzle sizes, it guarantees superior print quality across different materials. Additionally, its mobile app, Flash Maker, enables real-time monitoring, parameter adjustments, and alerts, ensuring intelligent and seamless printing operations. Number 3. FLASHFORGE 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventura 5M is a state-of-the-art 3D printer designed for both novices and experts alike. Boasting a Core XY structure, it achieves speeds up to 600 mm per second and rapid accelerations up to 20,000 mm², ensuring efficient and high-quality prints. Featuring automatic one-click bed leveling, it eliminates manual calibration for perfect first layers, while its quick-change nozzles, filament detection, and power recovery capabilities ensure uninterrupted printing. With compatibility for various materials and nozzle sizes, including high-speed and high-precision modes, and equipped with vibration compensation for precise extrusion, the Adventura 5M promises ease of use and superior print quality for diverse creative projects. Number 4. ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro is a robust 3D printer designed to meet the needs of users seeking precise and quiet printing capabilities. It features a printing size of 225 by 225 by 280 mm, 8.85 by 8.85 by 11 inches, and operates with a STM32 motherboard and silent stepper motors, ensuring reduced noise levels as low as 47 to 48 dB. The printer includes a dual-gear direct extruder made from SUS 303 stainless steel, offering a 3:1 reduction ratio for smoother filament feeding and enhanced printing stability across materials like PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS. It incorporates advanced features such as auto bed leveling with a high-precision sensor for real-time adjustments, dual-synchronized Z-axis lead screws for stability, and a durable POMV guide rail pulley system to ensure reliable performance and longevity. Ideal for enthusiasts and professionals alike, the Neptune 3 Pro comes partially pre-assembled with a comprehensive toolkit for easy setup and maintenance, promising a streamlined and efficient printing experience. Number 5. Resin 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Kilogram 406 Pro Max is a resin 3D printer designed for high-resolution printing, featuring a 4098 by 2564K plus HD resolution screen that enhances the reproduction of 3D models. Its 6.6-inch black and white LCD screen extends longevity while meeting diverse printing needs. Equipped with a COB plus Fresnel lens light source, it ensures uniform illumination and higher printing accuracy by projecting UV light uniformly onto the screen. The printer incorporates ball linear slide rails for Z-axis stability, minimizing vibrations and ensuring precise operation with a silent drive mechanism. Compatible with Qi2 and Lychee Slicer, it supports seamless integration and offers user-friendly features like Wi-Fi connectivity, a self-cleaning trough, and an anti-scratch film to protect the screen, enhancing usability and maintenance efficiency.